Hello, buongiorno, marhaba, namaste, guten tag. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from fxotherway, the channel for traders run by a trader. In today's video, I want to show you how you can play with the numbers to improve your trading. So let's start the rock and roll. So at the very beginning revision of the market, the quick one, Euro USD, as usual, you see we reached the last resistance angle which the market is trying to force right now. We are above the level of Jupiter and Pluto, so it's been broken at the moment. We are in the very narrow area. Well, the next one, it might be hit even today. We got the fast trend line, which has been determined earlier on the line from 25th of May, and the next one is of 22nd of June. So this trend line has been broken, and the last resistance we've got somewhere over here. We'll see what's gonna happen next. I just want to show you I found a lovely diamond here as well. Let me show you. I will draw it. So that's the first line from this top of 9th of 8th of March and the bottom of the end of April. That's the first one. The second line of the diamond would be again from this top to this top, and we can form a diamond and try to find what's gonna happen then. And so let's do it. It will look probably like that. That's the one, and let's copy the other one. And we'll get a lovely jolly diamond here. Oh, come on, babe, what did you do to me? Its jumping is on, so let's turn it off. Move it a little bit here. And let's try to determine when. When. It should be over here. We know when. 24th of July, 2020. So it's interesting date. Just let me go to Astrolog. So what Astrolog shows at the date of 24th of July, we will be right after the sun got entered into the Leo sign, in the Leo zodiac, and we got some lovely opposition day or 2 days before. Exactly on 22nd, the sun is getting into Leo and making the opposition to Saturn, and we'll see what's going to happen. As well, at the same date, at 22nd, we've got sextile between Mercury and Uranus, so we'll see. But that's it. I want to show you something else. So 24th of 7, you might pay attention to this date. Next one, what I want to show you today is some numbers. So the numbers are as such. GBP, US dollar. We got such a situation. We got a high of April 30th, 2020 at 126.43. And we got a low over here on May 18th, 2020. And the low is 120.77. If we move the decimals, we got 12,643 and we got 12,077. If you subtract the low from the high, the value of price, after moving the decimals, we get 566. What is important, after 566 hours, the market hit this high over here, so it's been projected based on the range between this high and this low. Next one, USD Japanese, we've got same story. May 29, 2020 low, 107.08. June 5th, 2020 high, 109.58. What happened? Difference between May 29 and June 5 is 7 days. Next 7 days we got the local bottom over here. But again, if we move the decimals from the values of high and low and subtract low from the high, we get 250. And 250 hours from this high, we got a local high over here. Next one, what have we got over here? Aussie dollar, December 10th, 2019. We got a low at 0.68 exactly. And 608 hours later, we got the end of this downtrend over here, and the market stopped here, made a correction. Stop loss hunters were activated here, and the market started correction. And the last one, US dollar, on November 20th, 2019, made a high of 1.33 and 15. What happened next? After 133 days, let me show you what happened. So I'll show you, I added up 20th of November 2019 plus 133 days makes 1st of April 2020. Let me show you the effect of this change. Let's get it 4 hours. Let's get rid of this. So after 133 days, what happened? The market hit exactly the local high. After ranging a couple of days, quite a good couple of days, is 2 weeks, market started falling. Please write me in the comment what do you think about it, and I hope you like it. If you just enjoyed my video, share it with the others. I see you next time. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.